Hey there, remember me? I'm Ashley with Unique from the Divas Night Out last Thursday in Statesville, and I just wanted to drop you a quick video and say hi and give you a little bit more information about the services that I offer and a little special deal for the gals that I met the other night. So first of all, I offer one-on-one consultations, makeup play dates. I offer home parties. You can invite some gals over and I'll set up stations. No big formal high pressure sales presentation or anything like that. I'll set up stations with the makeup. I will give you a little bit of history. I will roam and answer questions and give people suggestions on shades that would look great on them. And you can just enjoy a casual night out playing with makeup with your girlfriends. I can also offer you a 10-day online Facebook party and a Facebook group where I post a series of videos to your friends, giving them some makeup tutorials and kind of take them on a virtual tour through the Unique product line. That's an option. And then my newest option, which I think is going to be a whole lot of fun, is using Facebook Live to have a live party on a night of your choice where we can get everyone together. I can hop on, give a little presentation, talk about the products. We can play a game and get everybody interacting. It's in and out, usually in 30 minutes to an hour, and I will offer everyone up a show special with that deal. And we can focus it around any area that you would like to. Eye makeup, lips, foundation, general quick 5-minute face, that type of thing. So I can hook you up with one of those too. So if you want to get back with me, any of these options, if you choose one of these four, I will offer you a half price item of your choice out of anything in our catalog. It can be something as simple as a lip gloss or a liner, or as extravagant as an entire collection that you can save up to $120 on. So let me know what your interests are and what I can help you with, and I look forward to talking with you. You have an awesome day.